Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we will explore how to create business brand mood design using render clouds in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and create a mood board canvas. I pause because mood defines brand emotion. I create a new layer and apply render clouds. The randomness inspires creativity. I blend it softly with brand colors. I reduce opacity for subtle impact. I zoom out and feel the brand tone. Calm, confident, professional. Render clouds helps visualize business identity without complexity. I stop when emotion